Hi guys, Lens here. In this video I am going to show you how we can fix the issue where on voice message in your WhatsApp it is talking very fast. So I am going to show you how you can adjust those settings. So you want to come into your WhatsApp. If you look at this voice message, you can click on it.
Hello, what's up? How are you? How is everything going?
So as you can see here that it's 2x there.
Hello, what's up? How are you? How is everything going?
And as you can see, we can change how fast we want to hear.
Hello, what's up? How are you? How is everything going?
So you can see 2x. What you want to do, you want to click
Hello,
on
what's up? How are you?
2x.
How is everything going?
Make sure that it is on 1.
Hello, what's up? How are you? How is everything going?
So this is the trick, guys. Sometimes you might be using your WhatsApp and you press on that accidentally not knowing. So for those of you who press on it not knowing, this is how you fix it. So
Hello, what's up? How are you? How is everything going?
So that's how you fix it, guys. I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share, and subscribe. And comment down below. And also like this video and share this video to your friends and families. I'm Lens, and I'm out.